Hi, my name is Vishal and I'm a senior trainer in multimedia education. I have 18 years of industry experience and let's get started with the video. Hello guys, in this video we will do the neck part and especially the front side. So back side of the neck you have seen we have trapezius muscle and with some details of the vertebra. So what happens in the front side of the neck we'll try to understand. Again, I've collected some references here. So this is I've collected from Anatomy from Sculptors, and I recommend you the book for better modeling, and I've shared the link in the description where you can buy that book. And you could see the trapezius getting that fold till here, and there's a gap between this, which also happening in my reference which I have collected from. You should able to see that separation there. So what is this muscle here? This is sternocleidomastoid muscle, and I have more references of this muscle. You could see it starts from the mastoid process of the skull, which you can touch a ball like structure behind the ear, and then you could generally see that is all the way extending to the clavicle bone nearly about sternum. So that's how it is. So you could able to see that nice definition in both the references what we have got. And we have Adam's apple, laryngeal prominence in the throat surrounded by some muscles. So I'll just scroll down and you should able to see that detail. So this is bottom part of the mandible, which you could see we have extended it, and this is the throat area. You could see some thyroid glands here around it, and you could see a small pit like detail. So I try to recreate this whole flow, keeping this reference in mind. So that's the back part of the neck, and this is the side part of the neck you should able to see. So keep this reference in handy. You need not worry about all that small muscle groups what we have, because as we are modeling it and then we are closely looking into the landmarks of the body. So I'm going to select these lines here, these two lines, and then extend that till there and make sure that it is like that. So I'll be moving this line a little bit onto the, okay, let me choose 2 panels and then keep that handy, side view and the front view, and then just rotate it like that. Okay, now I need to divide this line here. I'll assign a shader which is Lambert 1, and then you could able to see it nicely. And then I'll switch off the color management just for you to see the wireframe properly. I'll also switch off the channel box here. Now let's put this down, and then we'll add a line in the center. So I hold Control right click to edge ring utilities and to split the ring, and once that line has been achieved, I'm just moving it like that, and then select that lines, and then okay, this line is too thick, so I'm using the slide edge tool and then adding the line again and then slide it further, and these lines I'll be selecting and extruding it all the way here to the sternum and clavicle. So let's put it this way here and then connect it. Okay, So you should able to see how I brought this line here. Once that is done, I will add a line here and then start connecting this vertex points at this point. So I'm going to use the target well and then connect it like that. Okay, so just try to adjust these points and then break this shape. Furthermore, so this lines has to be relaxed. Like that. I'm going to extrude this further and then snap it there and merge that. Let me put this reference close and you should able to see it's traveling parallel but taking a split there. Okay, so I need to just widen it up like that. Okay, and make sure to add a few lines there. And then just extrude that and then merge it. Like that. I can maybe put it this way and then I'll add a line in the middle and then merge them. Okay, and then merge these two lines and then delete one of the line there. Then apply fill hole like that. Slightly I'll extrude it and then scale it. So I'll just check if any of the line can be deleted. Not possible, so I'm going to select that line and then merge it like that. You can make this triangle into a quad just by adding a line there. I'll use this sculpt tool and then just slightly relax that area and then just create that slight dent, a cavity, sorry. Let's see what it will end up. We'll wait until this model is done. So we have this deltoids here. So we need to explore this deltoids. You could see that deltoid is ending up like that, this shape. So this deltoids need to be taken care of. I could see the trapezius muscle is always coming till the total deltoid, so it should be here. So I'm going to take that line and then connect it till the deltoid here. That's really important. So I'm going to select that line and delete, and then start building up the flow like that. Okay, so that's the trapezius muscle for you till the deltoids. The blue part is the trapezius and the red part is the deltoid muscle. It's good to have a ring loop, so I'm going to select these two faces and then grow selection till the deltoids here. Let me delete this line. As I told you, the situation can demand more lines here, so I'm using that. That's why I've not added too many lines in the previous video. If you find any triangles anywhere, unsolved faces, don't worry, it gets solved automatically as we start building the model to more details. So I'm going to extrude it and then just scale just to add that nice line around the deltoids. And then use the sculpt tool and then just relax that line. That line is important for me to get that separation of the deltoids and trapezius muscle and other muscle groups which are bounding the deltoid. Okay. Now we just try to connect all these lines. Okay, we'll be using the sculpt tool and then just relax that. I'm going to bring this total lines a little bit inside to give that nice separation between these muscles. Okay, the sterno muscle and trapezius muscle. I just want to refine this loops here. I just wanted to take this loop further till here. I'll take this line and then connect here, leave it there. So 5-sided and 3-sided face will be solved. Now I also try to fix this line here, which is the collar bone. So we need a line here, or maybe you can just push these lines inside. And this one I just move it outside, just to create that collarbone prominence. Maybe I think about adding lines while I go further. Right now I just leave it like that. I'm selecting this line here, okay, and I'm just moving it into the center using the grid snap, and then matching it with the throat, and start adding more lines here. So I'm using the multi-cut tool and then adding line with holding control. So you need to imagine that the mandible shape here. So I'm using this line again. Then I will extrude it down, okay, and try to create that nice landmarks, which are basically like Adam's apple. So we don't have much of reference help here. So I'm using the target weld tool and then just merging them, and then apply fill hole by selecting that border. Then start connecting the lines with the multi-cut tool. I'm just holding control and seeing if I could add a line here. And then now connect this line from there. Again, make sure that the mandible shape is going correct. I can select these lines and then just extrude it further for the bottom of the mandible, the chin, jawline. I'll be adding line here. And I just extrude this like that, and then connect these two things with the bridge tool and then apply fill hole. I'm using the multi-cut tool and then breaking this shape further. We'll try to close these lines which are there here. I don't want this line going all the way down. It's going all the way to the stomach, but the flow is. So in this case you can generally connect it till there and then select this, and we have this tool called flip triangle edge, spin edge backward. Use that. You can use Control Alt and left button and then start spinning this loops and then change the flow of this direction, and then that's solved. And you got a triangle here. It's very simple to fix. Just add a line. That's it. Now once you have got this, I'm going to use the sculpt tool and then just relax it. Okay. You can use tools like grab also and then start tweaking the points. Deltoid looks for a line. There's a triangle here. I'm going to delete that and then take it forward. So I'm using the slide edge tool, they are not merged. And just trying to average that line. And this line here should also be relaxed. I'm using this grid snap and then snap it to the center. I don't want the gaps to be there. So this faces looks too big, that faces need more lines. So I'm going to select this line and then bevel it. Then slide this edge a little bit. And then use the hard edge tool and then sculpt it. I need some clavicle bone lines also. We'll be doing that. This line has to be pulled out. So if I just press 3, this is what I've got here. You can use a multi-cut tool. And then take this U-turn. Now using that you get this nice So that is what we have got here for the neck part, front and back, and then we'll add more details to other parts of the body in coming video.